Welcome to The Wrap. I'm Caroline Woods, here to take you through today's market action. Stocks closed higher after a muted start to the day. The Nasdaq rallied 1.3%, the Russell gained 1.2%, the S&P added just under 1%. Every sector in the S&P 500 closed in the green. Communications and tech led the way higher, each gaining 1.4%. Consumer discretionary added about 1.1%. Turning to some stocks on the move, Palo Alto Networks is higher after beat on earnings and after offering inline guidance. The cybersecurity company said revenue grew 12% year over year for the quarter and expects full-year sales to grow between 13 and 14% in fiscal 2025. Palo Alto said they are focused on scaling their next-generation security business through continued innovation and execution. The company also authorized an additional $500 million for share repurchases. AMD closed about 4.5% higher after it announced it will acquire ZT Systems in a near $5 billion deal. AMD CEO Lisa Su says the acquisition will enable AMD to deliver end-to-end data center AI infrastructure at scale. The chipmaker invested over $1 billion to expand its AI program to compete against industry giants like NVIDIA. AMD expects the deal to gradually increase the company's adjusted earnings per share by the end of 2025. Estée Lauder shares, meanwhile, fell 2% after earnings and news that its longtime CEO will retire. The cosmetics company reported a big beat on earnings on more than 7% sales growth, but guidance for current quarter and full year came in well below estimates. Estée Lauder blamed persistent weak sentiment among Chinese consumers. As for the leadership change, Fabrizio Freddo will officially retire at the end of fiscal 2025. The company has not yet named a replacement. Looking ahead to tomorrow, there's no economic data on deck, but we'll get some Fed speak from Raphael Bostic and Michael Barr. As for earnings, Lowe's and Medtronic will report before the opening bell. Toll Brothers releases its earnings after the bell. That'll do it for The Wrap. I'm Caroline Woods. Remember to tune in 24/7 to schwabnetwork.com.